Next question number 18. So if NaCl is doped with 10 power 2 mole percentage of strontium chloride, what is the concentration of cation vacancy? So we know that 2 Na plus ions are replaced by strontium ions. So while strontium chloride is doped with the NaCl. So but in case, so one lattice point of NaCl is replaced by strontium ion. So other one vacancy it created. So for example, here 10 power minus 2 mole of strontium chloride is doped with 100 ml of NaCl. So thus cation vacancy produced by NaCl is 10 power minus 2 mole. For 100 moles of NaCl produces, so 10 power minus 2 mole vacancies. So for 1 mole of NaCl which produces how much vacancy? That only we are going to calculate. So 10 power minus 2 divided by 100 equal to 10 power minus 4 moles. So the total cationic vacancy equal to 10 power minus 4 into Avogadro number. So the value of Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. So we are getting 6.023 into 10 power minus 90 vacancies it created. So next question number 19. So the Kf crystallizes with the FCC structure like sodium chloride. Calculate the distance between K plus and F minus in Kf. So the density is given in the question, that is 2.48 gram per centimeter cube. So the density of Kf is 2.48 gram per cm cube. So the formula to calculate density equal to, so density equal to, that is density, that is symbol is rho, equal to Nm divided by A cube into Na. So for FCC the value of N is 4. So we are going to put 4 here. So 4 into 58 divided by A cube into, so Na is the Avogadro number. So 6.023 into 10 power 23. So rho is the density value, that is 2.48. So 2.48 equal to 4 into 58 divided by A cube into 6.023 into 10 power 23. So A cube, that is the edge length only we are going to calculate. So that one we are going to move in the left hand side. So A cube equal to 4 into 58 divided by, so this 2.48 is comes down. So 2.48 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. So this 2 we need to multiply. So we are getting 232 into, so this 2.48 into 6.023 we are getting, so 14.93 into 10 power 23. So A cube, so afterwards we are going to divide this 232 into 14.93. So we are getting 15.54 into 10 power 23. So A cube value is this much. So A value is 537.5 pm. So from that we are going to calculate the distance. So for calculating the distance for FCC, the formula is D is equal to A by root 2. So A value already we calculated the A value, that is 537.5. So that one we are going to enter here. So 537.5 divided by root 2 value is 1.414. So we are dividing this 2 means we are getting 380.12 pm. So next question number 20. So an atom crystallizes in FCC crystal lattice and has a density of 10 gram per cm cube with unit cell edge length of 100 pm. Calculate the number of atoms present in 1 gram of a crystal. So the density is given here, that is 10 gram per cm cube. So the mass is 1 gram. So edge length also given, that is 100 pm. So the volume, the formula you know, mass by density. So the mass is 1 gram divided by density is 10 gram per cm cube. So we are getting 0.1 centimeter cube. So the volume of the unit length. So that is the volume formula is A cube. So that is 100 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter cube. So we are getting 1 into 10 power minus 24 centimeter cube. So the number of unit cell in 1 gram. So the number of unit cell in a 1 gram of the crystal. So the total volume divided by volume of the unit cell. So what is the total volume? We have calculated here 0.1 centimeter cube divided by, so the volume of the single unit cell equal to 1 into 10 power minus 24 centimeter cube. So the given unit cell is FCC type, therefore it contains 4 atoms. So we are getting 4 atoms. So 0.1 into 10 power unit cell will contain 4 into 0.1 into 10 power 24. We are getting 4 into 10 power 23 atoms. So we are cancelled. This means we are getting 0.1 into 10 power 24. This 24 minus 24 is move upward, means we are getting 0.1 into 10 power 24. So next question number 21, atom X and Y form BCC crystalline type. So atom X is present at the corner, so that atom X is present only at the corner, so the Y is present at the center of the cube. So what is the formula of the compound they are asking? So the number of atoms of X in the unit cell equal to, so the X is present at the corner. So we are putting, so the N is the number of atoms. So 8 divided by 8. So we are getting 1. So the number of atom of Y in the unit cell. The Y is present only in the corner. So 1 divided by 1, we are getting 1. So the ratio of the atom is 1:1. So the formula is XY. So next question. Sodium metal crystallizes in BCC structure with the edge length of the unit cell 4.3 into 10 power minus 8. Calculate the radius of the sodium metal. So that edge length, that is A, is given in the question, that is 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Radius R is asked in the question. So for BCC, for radius calculation, formula is R is equal to root 3 by 4 into A. So root 3 divided by 4 into A value. So the A will not come here. So because the A value only we are going to enter here. So A value is 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. So root 3 value is 1.732 into 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 4. So we are multiplying this 2. 1.732 into 4.3, we are getting 1.732 into, so divided, so we are multiplying this 2 number and divided by 4, we are getting 1.86. So 4.3 is missing here. So 1.732 into 4.3 divided by 4. Then only we are getting 1.86. So this 10 point minus 8 centimeter is coming here. So we are getting 1.86 angstrom. So next question number 22. Write a note on Frankel defect. So the answer is in page number 194. You need to refer 6.72. So under the topic Frankel defect. So next question, why ionic crystals are hard and brittle? So why it is so hard? So because it's the strong electrostatic force of attraction between the cation and the anion. So next, why it is brittle? So they are brittle because ionic compounds are non-directional.